Calm down. Calm down. Ow. Yeah, how'd that feel? Ow! My pinky! Ow! Ow! Okay. I'll see.
No, please, just put your hand out.
He's gonna bite me.
It's not gonna bite you. I literally have pictures of him.
Shit balls. Oh my god. Alright. Ow!
Ready, man?
Oh my god.
Smile, sir. I take
That's enough. That's enough.
Well, Max.
Roll the window up!
Oh my god.
Wow. Excuse me. Hi. Alright, well, I think he's just really distracted right now.